Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining you the working of files in C++. The topics we will be covering in this video are file, some facts about files, file stream, file modes, classes for file stream operation, file stream classes with its methods, how to open and close a file, opening file using constructor, opening file using open, detecting end of file and working with the file modes. So, have you ever wondered what is a file? Whenever we generally code a program in C++, what happens after we get the output? All the data gets deleted. For again getting the same output, we need to write the entire code once again. If we want our output without writing the same code again, we can create a file and store all the data and the output in the file. So, according to Wikipedia, a computer file is a computer resource for recording the data discretely in computer storage device. They are the means to store the data in storage device. C++ file handling mechanism provides us to store the output of a program in file and read data from file on the disk. Some facts about files. Most of the computer programs work with the files. Word processor creates document files. Database programs create files for information. Compilers read source file and generate executable files. In C++, file input-output facilities are implemented through a component header file of C++ standard library. This header file is fstream.h. File streams. File handling uses file streams in C++. File represents a storage medium for storing the data or information, as we know. So, stream. What is stream? Stream refers to storing data or information. Storing data or information in the sequence of bytes. The input-output system of C++ handles file operation, which are very similar to console input-output operations. It uses file stream as an interface between the program and the files. The stream that supplies the data to the program is called as input stream, and one that receives the data is called as output stream. As you can see in the figure, a file stream acts as an interface between the program and the files. The stream that supplies the data is known as input stream, and the stream that receives the data is called as output stream. Now, classes for file stream operation. The input-output system in C++ contains a set that defines file handling methods. These include ifstream, offstream, and fstream. These classes are derived from fstream base class and from corresponding iostream classes as shown in the figure. These classes are designed to manage the disk files and are declared in fstream, and therefore we must include the files in any program that uses files. File stream classes with its methods. We can see different classes with its functions. Opening and closing of file. A file stream can be defined using the classes ifstream, offstream, fstream that contains in header file fstream. The class to be used depends upon the purpose, that is whether we want to read data from the file or we want to write data from the file. So we can open a file in two ways. First is using the constructor function of the stream class, and second is using the function open. When we open a file using constructor function, its syntax is stream object, and in quotes we write the name of the file. And in open, first we create object, that is stream class stream object, and stream object.open and name of the file in quotes. A file is closed by disconnecting it with the stream object, and its syntax is stream object dot close. Now first method, that is opening file using constructor. We create a file stream object to manage the stream using the appropriate class. That is to say that class of stream is used to create the output stream, and the class if stream is used to create the input stream. And we initialize the file object using the desired name. As you can see in this example, of stream is here is stream object, out file is the object name, and Mohini is the file. Now we can see opening file using constructor only. What we can do is, for example, we have two programs. One is for reading the file and another is for writing the file. So these two programs store the data in the same file. It is clear in the figure that two programs can simultaneously use file for input and output. Also, we can perform input output in the same file after closing the stream object. Now using open function. We already had an option of using constructor to open a file. Then what was the need for for open function? So using open function, we can open multiple file using the same stream object. Its syntax is file stream class stream object and stream object dot open, and in the bracket we write the file name. In the example, we can see that we have created three files, that is file 1, file 2 and data 1. Three files we have created. Now end of file. There are two ways of detecting the end of file. So first is while fn, and if stream object such as fn returns a file operation including the end of file condition. Thus the condition that while loop terminates when fn returns a value 0 on reaching to the end of file. And second method is using end of file function. So it returns a non-zero value if both of the files end of function condition is encountered and a 0 is returned otherwise. The statement terminates when it reaches to the end of file, and its syntax is if bracket if n dot end of file is not equals to 0. Till then the loop will be going on, will keep going on. We have used if stream of stream constructor and function open to create new files as well as to open existing files. Now in this file modes, we know that till now we have only used one argument, that was the file name. However, this function can take two arguments. The general form of open with two arguments is shown on the screen, that is stream object dot open and file name, and then second parameter is file mode, that is file mode parameter. Also we can see that iOS scope resolution operator in, iOS scope resolution operator out. These are the default values. They use default value in the absence of actual values. And if stream function means open for reading only, and offstream function means open for writing only. Now file modes. File mode parameter can take one or more than such constant defined in class iostream. The table shows the list of file mode parameters and their meanings. Thank you.